So friends, in the standing position, we will practice the first lungs expanding exercise. That exercise is the combination of Hasta Uttana Asana and the Ardha Padhastasana. Hasta means hand and Uttana means moving upward, the upside like this. So Hasta Uttana Asana. Okay, you must have practiced this asana many times. Okay, in the sun salutation especially. And second asana is the Ardha Padhastasana. Ardha means half, Hasta means hand. Okay, Pada means feet. So towards the feet, this is. Okay. Ardha, the half Padhastasana. Okay, half pose like this. Keep your neck upward in this asana like. Okay. So the combination of this. So look at me first how to inhale and exhale during the practice, because inhalation and exhalation is the key factor. Okay, with the inhale and with the inhale you will get the proper oxygen during the exercise, okay, then the normally, and with the exhale you will complete the target. Actually you will remove or expel the proper carbon dioxide from the bottom of the lungs and from the side walls of the lungs. Okay, usually in your daily life, if you choose this exercise for the regular practice, so you should practice minimum 3 rounds, 10 10 10 in each. Okay, 10 breaths in each, 10 breaths in the round 1, then rest 10-15 seconds, 10 breaths in the round 2, then rest 10 to 15 seconds, and 10 breaths in the round 3. Okay, and maximum you can practice 6 to 7 rounds of that. Okay, so we will practice right now with the 5 breaths only, just for learning. So look at me first, then start practice. Just a 6 to 8 inches gap must be there between the feet. Straight, loose shoulders, loose neck, and while you are inhaling through the nose, okay, every time inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth in this exercise. Every time inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. A long inhale and long exhale should be there. At the end of the exhalation, try to contract your stomach inward and upward. Okay, so look at me carefully. Inhale, start your exhale. Place your palm on the knees. Inhale one more time. And exhale 3 times through the mouth with stomach contraction towards the spine, like this. Okay, I would like to show in the front side. At the front side, look at me. Inhale. Okay, this stomach should be contract, okay, with every exhale in this position, like understand? So inhale through the nose every time, exhale through the mouth every time. Understand? Now just practice. I will count for you. 5 breaths. Okay, just only 5 breaths. So inhale, go back, Exhale through the mouth, come forward, place your both hand on the knees, back must be straight, look upward, and inhale one more time here through the nose, and exhale through the mouth 3 times and contract your stomach 3 times. Start inhalation and go back. Start exhalation through the mouth, come forward in the position. Inhale again through the nose and exhale 3 times with the mouth with stomach contraction. Inhale again through the nose, go back. Start your exhale through the mouth. Place your both hands on the knees. Look upward. Spine must be straight. Inhale here again through the nose. And exhale 3 times through the mouth with stomach contraction. Inhale, go back. Exhale, come forward. Inhale again here and 3 times exhale through the mouth. Do not forget the stomach contraction. Very good. Finally, inhale one more time and go back. While you exhaling through the mouth, come into the Ardha Padhastasana. Inhale here one more time and 3 times exhale through the mouth. Great. Relax. So I hope you might have understand with the practice of the first practice of the lungs expanding exercises. Okay. Now we will practice another technique, how to increase the length of your inhale and exhale. As I told you, there are many techniques for increasing the length of your breath, and we covers almost 10 techniques here for increasing the length, and I would like to tell you or teach you the one among them. For that, you need to sit down again. I am giving you 10 seconds.